Hello guys, welcome to my channel N Easy One. In this video, I will show you how I made 1000 USDT, which is showing on your screen in less than 2 minutes. So this particular money showing on the screen, I got it for free without depositing anything. So in this video, I will show you guys how you claim your free 1000 USDT for free, and also how to withdraw it to your local bank exchange. But before we get started, all I need from you guys is to like and subscribe to my channel, N-Easy1, and also turn on the bell notifications for more updates. To get started, the link will be in the description of my video or the comment section down below. So go ahead and click on it. It will be brought to you to an interface that looks like this. So all what you need to do is to go ahead and click on create account. Then click on my money to save your key phrase. Make sure to keep your key phrase in a safe place. After that, input a 6-digit code, then copy your mnemonic code and save it. Then click on create account. This how your dashboard would look like. You can see that you have 0 USDT. So you can see the interface of wallet. You can use this wallet to either send or receive crypto, just like other crypto wallets. Not only that, you can also participate in the AI trading to earn free USDT, either by staking USD, BNB, or TRX. It depends on your choice. So in this video, I will show you how to claim your free 1000 USDT. All what you need to do is to go to the settings and click on invite bind, and then paste my invitation code, then click confirm. Boom, you have getting your free USDT. So my invitation code will be in the description of this video. So many of guys will be asking how to withdraw the free USDT, but currently you can't withdraw because this AI wallet is hosting an airdrop called AIX token. So we were given about 10,000 AIX token, which gave us this 1000 USDT for free, which is showing on your screen. So let's wait for the claiming date to withdraw our free USDT. Now we have come to the end of this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, An Easy One, and also turn on the bell notifications for more updates coming your way. So peace out.